Subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon.
My association with Hauterfly and Summer is something that took a little bit of time for us to figure out what we were going to do. And I know they had a vision and a direction they wanted to go, and I'm happy that we were all on the same page of being able to create great content and create content that I believe people would be interested in, and content that felt real. That's what was important to me.
Absolutely.
Okay, how did Sunny came into your mind for the
Hello! Isn't that every day? Everybody's like, I'm on their mind. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't think it's tough for Sunny to come into anyone's mind, for that matter of fact. She's top of the mind recall, clearly. But I think, when you're kind of looking at Hauterfly, and Hauterfly is a fashion beauty portal that kind of, like Sunny said, talks to real women for real issues. And who better than, Sunny to kind of reflect and kind of talk about real issues and real women, because she's had such an interesting life where she's kind of led it with utmost dignity and respect. So we saw that marriage happening absolutely beautifully.
Okay. Sunny, tell us, how was it associating with him and the audience?
The association is absolutely amazing. I think that when you can have an association with a company and be able to be on the same page and have the same concerns and be able to be open to suggestions or different ideas, as most people must know, I'm pretty opinionated, and it's, even though I'd like it to be my way or the highway, I know that can't happen, and it has to be a give and take. And I think that everything that we've shot so far has been something that we've agreed on, that it should feel like we're making great content, and I think that's what's most important.
Yeah.
Sunny, how do you feel you are good in business, like shooting as a businesswoman? How do you handle your business?
I think every company is different, and both Daniel and I have a no bullshit approach for a lot of different things. Everything's pretty black and white, straightforward. We don't believe in the idea of making people run around in circles. I think our deal is pretty easy.
Yeah, absolutely.
And they usually are. And as far as our employees go and everybody, we just believe that everybody should work hard. And I know what I put into my day, and I expect the same thing from my employees, and that's it.
Sunny, last question. दूसरे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म से या कोई भी विमेंस मैगजीन्स हमेशा से रही है, तो एज एन इन्वेस्टर व्हाट आर यू एडिंग जो पहले किसी मैगजीन या किसी डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म में नहीं हुआ?
I don't think it's about what somebody's done or what somebody hasn't done. I think this is about taking ideas that maybe have been spoken about before and giving it our own spin, our own thought, my own opinion of those things, and their statistics and their opinions of how it should be shot and things that we should talk about. I believe that the biggest thing for myself was that it should feel real. It should feel like if anybody could go out and do the things that we're talking about, and or providing the steps of how that woman can accomplish these things.
Sunny, we're talking about Bollywood, like you're talking about equality, like maybe you're talking about gender equality. In Bollywood, do you feel the actors, has that kind of a equality, like in compared to the hero?
Well, I think that each actor is different. I do believe that there are differences. As far as myself goes, I can only speak about my own experiences and what I've gone through, and it's not been easy. I've had to create my own path, and my team and Daniel and everybody, we have to fight tooth and nail to do everything that we want to. Do I have the best of lineup when I have a film coming out? Do I work with those big A-list actors? No, but I create my own path and I make my own decisions, and I'm happy for that. And I'm happy that I'm able to do things my way, and which is the most important to me. No one's telling me what to do, and I like that.
Okay, Sunny, as you have talked about the
Sunny, one last question. Sunny days
question.
a year, what do you do to beat the sun?
Wait, what?
Sunny days, I mean, it's hot out.
It's hot outside.
Last question, guys.
What am I doing to beat the sun? I don't know. I'm going to Rajasthan for a month. I'm going to be in the sun every single day. That's going to be a very good question. But if I had to say something, it would be coconut water. It would be a lot of light food, not fried stuff, and light clothing, nothing too heavy, and that would be really uncomfortable. That would be it.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.